Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup at home for pregnancy. This nutritious meal offers numerous benefits for expectant mothers. By preparing your own soup, you ensure a wholesome meal, free from excessive sodium or artificial ingredients often found in store-bought options. It's a fantastic way to incorporate a wide array of vitamins, minerals, and fiber into your diet, supporting both your health and your baby's development. To begin, gather your ingredients. Focus on fresh, vibrant vegetables such as carrots, celery, spinach, and sweet potatoes for a rich nutrient profile. Opt for a low-sodium vegetable broth or prepare your own homemade stock to control the salt content. For an extra boost of protein, consider adding lentils, chickpeas, or even some shredded lean chicken. These choices contribute to a well-balanced and satisfying meal. Start by sautéing your aromatic vegetables, like chopped onions and garlic, in a large pot with a little olive oil until softened. Next, add your chosen vegetables and broth, bringing the mixture to a gentle boil. Reduce the heat and simmer until all the vegetables are tender, which usually takes about 20 to 30 minutes. Finally, season with fresh herbs such as parsley or dill and mild spices to taste. Once your delicious vegetable soup is ready, you can enjoy it immediately. For leftovers, store them in airtight containers in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If you're looking for convenient future meals, freeze individual portions for up to 3 months. This makes healthy eating simple and accessible. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.